Thomas from the hardware.
Kind of nervous.
ये IIT वाले कहीं भी शुरू हो जाते हैं.
The first time I've ever like taken a connecting flight.
This whole trip feels so magical. Like
So Chichore was shot in this hostel, like the hostel.
I don't think anybody gives a single shit.
Edit तो मैं करूँगी, edit तो मैं करूँगी.
मुझे बस गंदी हवा चाहिए थी. Holy hell! And
Hey, look at the size of this bag. It's massive.
I almost forgot my charger for my MacBook and my phone, and I do this every time. Like I kid you not. I kid you not. Every single time I have done this. Let's go. Oh my god, I thought कोई खड़ा था. I am not even joking. I genuinely thought कोई खड़ा था. Anyways, let's go. I'm so excited. Have I mentioned what I'm doing yet? I don't think I mentioned what I'm doing yet. I shall go and mention what I'm doing. I love that I've gotten my this thing earphones because now I can talk to my camera and not feel awkward. I mean, I'm a little bit awkward, but also this airport is like pretty much empty. I don't think anybody gives a single shit about what I'm doing. So fun times, fun times. Plus in Jammu, um, everything's just kind of different here. You know, if you're doing shit like this, I feel like they just think you're really, really famous. So I guess that's fun. I guess they're manifesting for me. Guys, let's manifest. Can we please hit 100k? Like, jaldi, please. Yay, I'm at my gate. So, why are we going to Bombay? Very, very exciting. Very, very exciting. People are staring at me. It's okay. Anyways, so, as I mentioned, Did I mention? Guys, we've started a business. That's insane. So, I have wanted to do this for so long, you know, social media marketing and personal branding, but very storytelling focused, very organic focused. Like, if you know organic versus performance in marketing, performance is when they run ads, organic is when you have organic growth. So, very storytelling first, very organic first, very community first. And I have always wanted to curate stories like that, not just. So I've always wanted to do that, and now I get to do that. And that's crazy, and I'm so excited because the reason I'm going to Bombay is because I have a client in Bombay, and I'm basically going there to do work and to attend an event with them. And this is all just like a really cool first experience for me as a first-time founder of a services business. I love that I get to be a business student actually doing business. Like, I'm very happy about that and very like excited. So yeah, I'll be taking you along the whole thing.
Upgrades available on this flight. Enjoy extra legroom with excellent view or move ahead and enjoy your snack with upfront.
Flight 662 is a very through today's week English. Thomas from the hardware has to see and instruction helps us as a travel companion. It is going to be wonderful. Thank you.
Let's go. I got the whole row, by the way. Got the whole row. Let's go. Me and my hairdresser bag. The fact that I am in Delhi, even if I'm not going home, is making me so bloody happy. I can't explain it. मुझे बस गंदी हवा चाहिए थी, गंदा AQI, and it has genuinely made my day. Now I'm trying to find the lounge so I can eat. I'm gonna eat so much. Goddamn. One second, I'm confused. Guys, मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे बोला लाउंज मत जाओ. Do you understand how sad I am? They're saying कि मैं लेट जाऊंगी. But मुझे लाउंज में खाना था. That was my only purpose. Not my only purpose, but I was excited. Down on my shoes. This is the first time I've ever taken a connecting flight, so fun experience. Let's go.
अस्पताल में 8 आपातकालीन दुआएं 2 सांस तक पहुंचने में सहायता करें।
From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine.
I'm in Bombay, and guess who's here?
Let's go.
This is my friend.
We got all the weapons with us.
Yeah, my friend Siddharth Shukla from IIT Bombay.
Yes. IIT Bombay. Bombay is the city of dreams. IIT Bombay is the dreams of colleges.
बस ये IIT वाले कहीं भी शुरू हो जाते हैं.
You asked for it, man. Come on. It was all scripted, guys. All our vlogs are.
Edit
Don't
तो मैं
watch-
करूँगी, edit तो
don't-
मैं करूँगी. Guys,
Why the fat?
hi, good morning. I'm in Bombay. I cannot believe that yesterday I was sitting in class till 5 p.m. and now 7:34 a.m. on Saturday I'm in Bombay and I'm currently working because it's a working day. I have to go to office, so it's a brand that I am working on. I have to go to the office today by 11 a.m. So just finishing some stuff up and then I will be having breakfast. The most exciting part. And then breakfast buffet, and then I will be getting ready and going to the office, after which I'm gonna be meeting friends again. I'm so excited. There's something different that I can feel with the energy. The energy is just, I have been uplifted, my spirits have been uplifted by coming here. Also, I'm very excited for my outfit because it's very, very cute. Breakfast. Guys, I'm so hungry and actually I think I might faint. And this is the situation I'm in every morning. I'm so hungry. It's actually insane. And the buffet looks very, very promising. And लोग मुझे बहुत judge कर रहे हैं. Every time I come to a breakfast buffet, I'm like, oh my god, I have to eat this and I need to eat that. And then I always get sausages and fruits. Every single time I've done this. and my laptop against the world. I sent my parents a fit pic, and my mom has replied with "Wow, hashtag girl boss." So I'm feeling very hashtag girl boss. I'm just waiting for the car to stop somewhere, and for there to be a red light so that I can put my liquid IV in my pani ki bottle and have it, because my head is hurting like crazy. And thank God I ordered liquid IV. Like, I blinketed it at the hotel, because don't know how I will survive without electrolytes. Also, tell me if anybody else also faces this, but I have had like a serious loss of appetite. Like, I'm not able to eat anything in general. So I was at breakfast and I was like, oh bhai, breakfast buffet, I need so much. I got the tiniest amount of food and that also I couldn't finish. It's getting quite concerning. Please help. Also, this whole like journey and all the content that I'm making around this, like the reason for sharing the journey, is because I want to be super honest. And yeah, right now honestly I feel not only physically and mentally tired and exhausted, low-key, because I slept pretty late, because it took so much time to reach the hotel and then checking in and everything. And then I woke up also early at like 7:30 because I had to get this work done. But also I'm kind of nervous, you know. I'm kind of nervous. Not nervous. I mean, I'm never really nervous with these things, but I'm just a little bit like it's a new experience for me. So yeah, I'm gonna tell you my honest experience of how it goes and what I've learned from this whole experience. One thing I've learned is electrolytes are amazing. That is one thing I will say for sure, and you should always keep them with you. It's 4:20 and we are done with work for today. I had so much fun. Holy hell, I look dead. I came to my room and I slept for so long. I don't even know how many hours I slept, and मैं बिल्कुल dead हो चुकी हूँ. But I'm going to IIT Bombay. I'm so excited. I love seeing college campuses. Like, it's always so fun. I feel like I had over anticipated कि मैं क्या क्या करूँगी इस trip पे, but I don't know how much will happen. No, it will happen. It will happen. Yeah. I am so exhausted, but also मेरे अंदर इतनी energy है. It's like crazy. I really want to go shopping. I really want to eat stuff and go shopping. Chat more time. Okay, let's go. I'm running out of time. Let's go. Guys, I got this new bag, by the way. I got it delivered here already because time नहीं था. And it is so cute. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There's something so beautiful about like a nice hotel lobby. Like, so gorgeous. Lighting. Also, I got planners for some friends I'm meeting there. This whole trip feels so magical. Like, I can't explain it. There's something so magical about this whole trip, and it just feels like it was just destined to happen. And let's see where the night takes us. Yes.
What's up? Ocean. Hostel 5 shop.
This is the tour. IIT Bombay convenience store.
5-star hostel.
So apparently, this is where Chichore was shot. Krital, please tell us more about this.
Okay, guys, so this is hostel number 4. It has been reconstructed. It was a parent hostel, but they had to demolish it because it was not in good condition.
What's a parent hostel?
basically the old hostels, मतलब जो proper
अच्छा अच्छा
OG IIT hostels.
Hmm.
So it had to be destroyed and rebuilt. It has like 8-9 floors now, and it's a very good hostel. So Chichore was shot in this hostel, like the hostel that you see in Chichore. It was hostel number 4. We're gonna be looking at the gym. So this is the gym that I come to. We're gonna see it.
Let's go.
This is the gym. In the opening ceremony of this hostel, like a lot of alums came here. And I think someone also, I don't know if it's a rumor or if it's true or not, but jo Chichore mein the characters, they were also here, I guess.
Whoa.
I'm not very sure about that, it is a rumor. So don't take my word for it. So it's not visible right now, but we have an indoor, this cricket turf, if I don't know if we call it a turf or not.
Like turf football.
Football turf है उधर, cricket ground, indoor cricket ground we have here, and also
कुछ नहीं
there's
दिख
this
रहा हम अंधेरे में.
खो-खो के लिए भी है by the way.
Damn.
That synthetic matting.
Crazy.
And ये basketball court है. ये